Kia ora, ko Steph Wilson toku ingoa. I'm the Waste Minimisation Lead for Napier City Council. Every 6 years, a council has to review its waste management and minimisation plans. One of the biggest things that we're doing is education in our communities, and we are just on our way off to our waste education building at Omaranui Landfill. Welcome! This is Te Whare Mukupara, our landfill building. As far as we know, it is the only waste education building on an operating landfill. We've got loads of schools always booking it out. We've got businesses coming. We teach people how a modern engineered landfill works. We recommend certain things to not go in there, like organics, because it doesn't break down the dangers and toxic greenhouse gases that it produces. It's a real eye-opener for people to come up to Te Whare Mukupara. Really beautiful, but also incredibly confronting. You're filling up a hole in the ground with waste. This is where it ends up forever and ever and ever. We work really closely with other councils and community organisations in Anderson Park. This morning I was demonstrating how to start a garden compost bin at home. We talked about the bokashi, which is the Japanese form of composting. Layer it into each other, and you can put absolutely everything and anything in a bokashi bucket. So it works in small spaces where people might not have a garden. In its raw form, it is potent enough to clean a toilet or a drain with. When you just dilute it down with water into a clear watercolor, sprinkle that in your garden, and it is just beautiful fertilizer. Also, worm farms, which is great for, especially when you've got kids too, they just get into it, and it's really amazing to see how engaged our tamariki get. A little handful of your worm poo is the equivalent of 3 months worth of garden fertilizer. It is just packed with nutrients. It's stunning for your garden. Any questions about this? I know people are often a bit scared. I absolutely love what I do. I live and breathe this kaupapa of waste. I can talk rubbish all day long. Hawke's Bay is a beautiful place to live and raise children. And I think that's part of the reason why I do what I do, is I want to leave not just the Hawke's Bay, but the entire world in a better place for my children and generations after that to come.